My girls are gone to school and I'm gonna decorate the shelf. I found Maribel's purple shoes. I've been working on decorating and cleaning out this whole area. This shelf is gonna be their Crybaby collection. I put the shark next to the unicorn with no arm because maybe the shark got hungry. I'm gonna organize their Barbies in here. These have funky haircuts, not because of my kids, but because of their thrift store buys. Dollar Tree Barbie. Barbies get thirsty too, right? Looking pretty cute. I'm gonna try my best to fix this botched haircut. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks better, right? Cute. I organized the extra clothes and shoes and accessories into this container. We've got a cute little pet room going on over here. We've got kind of a living room, working on a kitchen, working on a bathroom. We've got a bedroom, a little play area, little outdoor stuff. Interesting. There we go, there's one side. There's the other side, looking good. Time for the boys' room. Here's my boys' room. Thanks for watching. Bye.